Learn English with your Instill.
Hi, table for two, please.
Sure, follow me.
Can I get a menu?
Here you go.
What's the special today?
Today's special is grilled salmon with a lemon butter sauce.
Is the soup of the day vegetarian?
Yes, it's a creamy tomato basil soup.
Do you have any gluten-free options?
Yes, we have gluten-free pasta and salads.
What kind of dressing do you have?
We have ranch, balsamic vinaigrette, Caesar, and honey mustard.
What would you recommend for a light meal?
I'd suggest the grilled chicken salad or a cup of soup with a side of bread.
What sides come with the steak?
You can choose from mashed potatoes, fries, or steamed vegetables.
Can I get the steak medium rare?
Absolutely, I'll note that down for you.
Is there a vegetarian pasta dish?
Yes, we have a penne arrabbiata with roasted vegetables.
Can I substitute fries for a salad?
Of course, no problem.
Is the chicken grilled or fried?
The chicken is grilled.
How spicy is the arrabbiata sauce?
It's mildly spicy, but we can adjust the heat level if you prefer.
Can I get the dressing on the side?
Sure, I'll bring it on the side.
Does this dish come with rice or potatoes?
It comes with rice, but you can swap it for potatoes if you like.
Can I have the dressing without garlic?
I'll make sure to get it without garlic for you.
Can I get a glass of water, please?
Certainly, I'll bring it right over.
Do you have iced tea?
Yes, we have both sweetened and unsweetened iced tea.
Is the iced tea freshly brewed?
Yes, it's brewed fresh every day.
Could I get the soup to go?
Absolutely, I'll bring that out for you.
Can I get an extra lemon for my water?
Of course, I'll bring it right away.
Do you have sparkling water?
Yes, we offer sparkling water as well.
What's in the mixed green salad?
It has lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette.
Is the fish fresh?
Yes, the fish is delivered fresh daily.
Can I have the salmon without the sauce?
Sure, I'll have it served plain for you.
Can I substitute the grilled chicken for shrimp?
Yes, we can make that substitution for you.
Is the fish farmed or wild caught?
It's wild caught.
Is the salmon skin on?
Yes, it is served with the skin on.
Do you have any vegan options?
Yes, we have a delicious vegan stir-fry and a veggie burger.
What's the best drink to pair with the steak?
A red wine like Cabernet Sauvignon pairs well with steak.
Can I have the dressing on the side?
Certainly, I'll bring it on the side.
Do you offer dessert?
Yes, we have chocolate cake, cheesecake, and a fruit sorbet.
What's in the chocolate cake?
It's a rich, flourless chocolate cake topped with whipped cream.
Is the cheesecake baked or no bake?
Our cheesecake is baked.
Can I get the cheesecake without the whipped cream?
Absolutely, I'll serve it without the whipped cream.
Do you have any fruit options for dessert?
Yes, we have a fresh fruit sorbet.
Can I substitute the side with a different vegetable?
Yes, we offer substitutions for sides.
Do you offer a kids menu?
Yes, we have a kids menu with smaller portions.
What do kids usually like to order?
Many kids enjoy the chicken tenders and fries or the macaroni and cheese.
Do you have a wine list?
Yes, I'll bring it over right away.
Do you serve cocktails?
Yes, we have a full cocktail menu.
Can I have the wine by the glass?
Yes, we offer wine by the glass.
What's the best wine for seafood?
A crisp white wine like Sauvignon Blanc pairs well with seafood.
Can I try the wine before I order?
Certainly, I'll bring you a tasting.
Can I get the steak well done?
Sure, I'll make sure to cook it well done.
Do you have any spicy appetizers?
Yes, our buffalo wings are quite spicy.
Do you have any non-alcoholic drinks?
Yes, we offer juices, sodas, and mocktails.
Can I have a mojito without alcohol?
Absolutely, I'll make you a mock mojito.
Can I get the burger without cheese?
Sure, I'll have it without cheese.
Can I substitute a side salad for fries?
Yes, you can do that.
Do you have any pork dishes?
Yes, we have a pork tenderloin on the menu.
Is the chicken spicy?
The chicken is not spicy, but we can add heat if you like.
What are your vegetarian appetizers?
We have stuffed mushrooms and a vegetable spring roll.
Can I get my fish grilled instead of fried?
Of course, I'll have it grilled for you.
Do you have any sugar-free desserts?
We have a sugar-free chocolate mousse.
Is the fish farm-raised or wild?
The fish is wild-caught.
Do you have any seasonal dishes?
Yes, we have a pumpkin ravioli for the fall.
Can I get the soup as an appetizer?
Absolutely, I'll bring that out first.
Is the soup spicy?
The tomato basil soup is not spicy.
Can I get the sauce on the side?
Sure, I'll bring the sauce on the side.
Do you have any light bites?
Yes, we have a selection of bruschettas and tapas.
Do you offer any hot drinks?
Yes, we have coffee, tea, and hot chocolate.
What type of tea do you have?
We have green, black, chamomile, and peppermint tea.
Can I get a side of ketchup for the fries?
Certainly, I'll bring that right over.
Can you pack the rest of the meal to go?
Sure, I'll bring a box for you.
Is the pasta made fresh?
Yes, our pasta is made in-house.
Can I get the pasta without onions?
No problem, I'll have it without onions.
Is the burger served with pickles?
Yes, it comes with pickles, but we can leave them off if you prefer.
Can I get extra sauce with my pasta?
Of course, I'll bring extra sauce for you.
Can I have my steak with no salt?
Absolutely, I'll make sure to have it without salt.
Can I get the omelet with extra cheese?
Sure, I'll add extra cheese for you.
Can I have the bill, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right over.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.